Are you ready to hear a story that will change not only my life, but yours forever? This isn't just a story. It's the true story of the journey that took me from zero, from nothing, to earning over $30,000 a month in less than a year. Now imagine, without showing your face, without a professional camera or expensive equipment, and even with a limited budget, building a profitable online business that works for you 24/7. That's exactly what I did with Faceless YouTube channels. And believe me, it's not just a simple business model. This is a golden opportunity, one that if you don't take seriously today, you might regret starting sooner tomorrow. This model is growing now more than ever. Not only is it easy to get started, but thanks to amazing advances in artificial intelligence, it can now be done incredibly quickly, cheaply, professionally, and more effectively than ever before. But let's be honest with ourselves. There is no way to get rich without trying. This is not a magic bullet for instant wealth, but if you're willing to put in the time and energy, it can completely transform your life. I recently came across one of the most successful faceless channels that uses AI to create creative videos. And believe it or not, one of its videos has garnered over 1 million views. That's thousands of dollars in revenue just from one simple video. And here's the sad thing, many people are still ignoring this simple yet powerful model and losing thousands of dollars a month. So let's get started. And finally, I have just one small request. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it. It shows that you enjoyed it and motivates me to create more tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and be sure to hit the bell so you don't miss any future tutorials. What's next? It's simple log into ChatGPT, the same powerful tool I use to create and manage faceless YouTube channels. Take a screenshot of a successful YouTube channel, say one that produces content about animals, history, fun facts, or any genre you like. Then upload this image to ChatGPT and write very simply, I want to make videos like this channel. Create me a title, 25 image prompts, and a video script. Now just wait a few seconds. In less than a few minutes, ChatGPT will prepare for you a catchy title for your video, 25 professional AI-powered photo prompts for producing visual content, thumbnails or video backgrounds, a complete video script in your preferred language, ready for narration or conversion to a faceless video. By repeating this process, you can produce multiple videos every week, grow your channel, and gradually build an automated money-making machine that works for you. Now it's time for me to introduce you to another amazing tool, one that can take your content creation to the next level. Visit SkillEarly AI. The link to this professional tool is in the video description. This is an incredibly advanced AI platform that helps sellers on Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, and other online stores create stunning promotional images with just a few clicks. Images that look professional, grab attention, and increase sales. Just upload a simple photo of your product. SkillEarly will do the rest for you. And that's not all. SkillEarly AI can convert your favorite text into images, convert still photos into eye-catching videos with a quality beyond your imagination. SkillEarly AI highlights automatically generate beautiful, diverse, and suitable backgrounds for advertising. Add advertising text and professional graphic elements with just a few clicks, full support for standard formats and sizes of online stores, Amazon, Etsy, eBay, etc. Ability to change the style and appearance of the image using artificial intelligence models. Simple and smooth user interface. No prior experience in design or graphic software is required. Convert any desired text into an advertising image and convert images into cinematic quality videos. Imagine being able to produce dozens of super professional advertising images and videos with just a simple photo and a few lines of text, and all this in just a few seconds. This is exactly the tool that will transform your content production, advertising, and branding. If you are really serious about building a successful business in the digital world, enter the SkillEarly AI website and try it out right now. The link to use this tool is in the video description. Don't forget to take a look and see the power of AI up close. So now that you're ready to create professional-looking photos, let's get started step by step. In the upload section, you can add a basic product photo or any image you like. This upload can be done in 3 ways. Uploaded, already uploaded images. Device, upload from your phone or computer. Shopify, if you use this platform. Select the aspect ratio. In the aspect ratio section, specify the image size you want. You can choose to have the photo be vertical, horizontal, square, or even sizes specific to platforms like Instagram, Amazon, or YouTube. Choose an AI model. In the model section, you have 2 main options. Flux 1 context GPT image. Both models produce high-quality images with different styles. You can test each one and see which output works best for you. Set output count. Here you specify how many images you want to generate from each prompt. Just 1 image or 4 images at once for more variety. Enter the prompt and generate the image. Now go back to ChatGPT. Copy the prompts you received earlier one by one. Then paste it into the seller pick text field and click the Generate or Create button. Just wait a few seconds. A very high-quality image with impressive graphics and an appeal that is perfect for sales, advertising, or content creation. Repeat this for all your prompts. Import all the prompts one by one. Create the images and create a great archive of professional and creative images for your content. This process, along with the videos produced by ChatGPT, creates a powerful combination that can improve the quality of your channel or store content dozens of times. Are you ready to create content that will attract the audience at first glance? So it's time to make the most of these tools and continue your growth path with strength. Seller Pick lets you turn your photos into stunning videos with just a few simple clicks, and even add audio. Go to Image to Video. Now select the photos you created one by one. Do you want your video to have audio? Great. Go to Auto-Generating Synchronized Audio. If you want your video to have audio, enable this option. Now go to the prompt, Optional. If you want a specific sound or music to be added to the video with a specific interval, explain it in this section. For example, write, Seller Pick will create audio in sync with the video based on your description. Choose the video duration, 5 seconds or 10 seconds, depending on the type of content. Choose the style. There are different styles available, such as modern, minimal, cinematic, or promotional. If the video is for a promotional teaser or social media, 5 to 10 seconds is the best time. Not too short, not too long. Once you've set everything up, click the Generate button. Within seconds, Seller Pick will generate your video in stunning quality. The audio, style, effects, and everything is set to the highest possible level and ready to go. Repeat this for all your images. Import photo by photo, apply the settings, and create your videos. In the end, you'll have a collection of short, professional, and impressive videos that you can publish on YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, your online store, or anywhere else. This is exactly what makes your content stand out. Now you're all set. All you have to do is execute. Don't forget, the one who starts today is the one who starts tomorrow. Now log into 11 Labs. Go to the prompt you prepared earlier in ChatGPT, the same video script that was written for the narration voice. Copy and paste this text in its entirety to prepare the voice. Now we come to the final step, where we put all the components created in the previous steps together to create a professional and complete final video. This is the moment when all your hard work is displayed visually and impressively. At this point, enter a video editing program. If you are looking for a simple and efficient application, CapCut is one of the best choices. This program is suitable for beginners to professionals and provides you with a wide range of features. First, import all the videos you have created with the Seller Pick tool into the editing project. Then, place each video in the appropriate order on the timeline. Fine-tuning the order and location of each video will make the visual and content flow of your video smoother and more attractive. If you need to change the order of the videos, you can easily move them around to get the best possible composition. Next, go to the Effects section. Using visual effects will make your video look more lively, professional, and energetic. Some of the effects you can use include lights and sparkles, dynamic zooms, gentle camera shakes, and smooth transitions between scenes. If you're interested, you can also use simple animations. Adding movement to icons, text, or graphic elements will make your video more narrative and dynamic, and your audience will connect with it more. Now it's time to add audio. Import the audio file you've created into the program and place it just below the video layers. Make sure the narration is properly synchronized with the image and plays at the right times. Along with the narration, you can also add background music. This music should fit the overall atmosphere of the video, not too energetic that it distracts the audience from the narration, and not too dull that it diminishes the mood of the video. Lower the volume of the music so that the speaker's voice can be heard clearly and there is no sound contrast. At this stage, adding subtitles is also highly recommended. Enter the narration text and adjust it as subtitles with precision. Using clean, legible, and professional fonts is very important in this section. Also, if you plan to increase the reach of your video, you can add subtitles in a second language. In addition to improving the user experience, subtitles are also very effective for audiences who watch the video without sound, especially on social networks where most users follow the content without headphones or on mute. Finally, everything is ready. Now you have a complete video A structured, professional, and inspiring video that is the result of your creativity and the smart use of artificial intelligence tools. And now it's time to watch the final video. What started as a simple idea has now become a complete, publishable work. This is just one example of what you can do. And the first step to building the future is now.
You don't remember the moment the lie was planted? Not exactly. Maybe it was the day you were told to stop crying. Or when the teacher said, "That's not what smart kids do." Or when you learned that silence was safer than truth. But something changed, quietly, permanently. You stopped being you. You became what they needed. And that's where your confusion began. Because the world told you to chase success, but when you got closer, you felt emptier. They praised you for being nice, but inside you were furious. You got the grades, the job, the praise, but you couldn't sleep. You've tried fixing it. Reading books, listening to mindset coaches, meditating like a monk. But no matter how hard you try, something deep inside whispers, "This isn't it." Carl Jung didn't see your symptoms as problems. He saw them as signals, not dysfunction, disconnection. He believed your soul was buried under masks layer after layer until even you forgot what your real face looked like. And if you want to get it back, there's something you need to know. You are not lost. You were lied to. The lie of the persona. Jung called it your personath mask you wear to survive society. It's the smiling face you show at work, the agreeable tone in family dinners, the polite nods in rooms where your soul is screaming. You're taught this mask is you, but it's not. It's what the world rewarded. And the more you wear it, the more disconnected you become from everything that matters. Joy, meaning, depth, truth. You begin to think, maybe this is what being an adult means. But then one night, the mask cracks. It happens when you're alone, tired, unfiltered. Maybe you say something brutally honest to yourself. Or you explode at someone for a reason that doesn't make sense.